Hi, babe. What are you doing?
I'm going to take these wheels off this truck with this big impact. So,
Oh, I thought it's the machine for the exterminator.
yeah, my machine gun. So here's how I hook it up.
Uh-huh.
I put these two hoses on here like this. I run them into the red valve on both trucks. And I got to start these two trucks and gives me enough power. I'll show you. That should give me enough power. Let's take these wheels off. So just like that, I pull the wheels off. I gotta do it 3 more times. See ya.